Alright, so this is how you want to self-rescue yourself from your kayak. When you fall out and you can't touch bottom, you want to get back up as quick as you can. So I'm going to demonstrate how far over. This is the Feel-Free Moken 14. I'm going to demonstrate just how far over you can get without this kayak falling over. It's got great secondary stability. It's a narrow kayak, it's only 28 inches wide, but as you can see, it's going way down onto the handholds. Okay, so you got lots of stability in this kayak. I'm going to roll it over on purpose and do a self-rescue. Here we go. Okay, I can't touch bottom right now. My life jacket's holding me up, but I don't want to stay in the water any longer than I have to, so I want to get back up as quickly as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw my body right here where the handhold is over to the top of the bottom of the kayak here, and I'm going to grab the other side, and then I'm going to use my weight to throw the kayak over. Okay, trail yourself over, grab a hold of the handle on the other side, and then just fall back into the water with your weight. Okay, now we're good to go. Now all we got to do is do the exact same thing again. Throw your body over in the middle of the seat. Okay, we're done. Now all we got to do is swing our legs in the kayak and put our butt in the seat at the same time. There we go. Self-rescue.